trap money penny. This shit got me in my feelings.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vanessa Bajura from 8th class. So today I want to explain about Pasir Putih Beach in Situbondo. So located from the Pasir Putih Beach is village in the Bungatan sub-district, Situbondo, East Java, Indonesia. And this village is about 6 kilometers to the east from the center of Bungatan district and 20 kilometers to the west from the capital city of Situbondo. This village is directly adjacent to the Java Sea and is passed by National Road 3. And next, I want to answer a question from my friend. Name is Grevi Clara Sinta from 8th class. And the question, there are 15 questions. So the first question about the fishing. The question is, can I fishing here? Of course, you can fishing in here because Pasir Putih Beach is very suitable and comfortable to you if you like about the fishing. And second, it is a right of left. Of course, you can fishing in anywhere. You can fishing in right and left from the beach or the middle from the beach. Of course, you can. And next, can you show again? Of course, you can fishing anywhere in the right on the left beach. And then if you want to fishing in the sea on the middle sea, you can ride a road. And next, what else can be done here? You can fishing, snorkeling, and you can sail using a rental boat to explore the area around the coast. And because snorkeling is a recommended activity if you want to go or visit in Pasir Putih Beach. And next, who are we here? Of course, you can ride with you can ride with motorcycle or private vehicle, of course. And if you can use a bus or other public transportation from the Bungarase Terminal Surabaya if you live or deeper from the Situbondo city area to Pasir Putih Beach is only 20 kilometers. Or the time you need is only 30 minutes. You can use public transportation or bus. And next, what that there? Of course, you can photo sport and snorkeling equipment rentals. And can I swim here? Of course, you can snorkeling in here, of course, so you can swim in here. And I think swim and snorkeling is best activities if you want to visit and go in the place. And next, where is the place to buy souvenir? You can buy souvenir at the center being the ones of the Pasir Putih Beach. And next, which restaurant do you recommend? I'm recommended to eat a Sunrise restaurant with Indonesian and Australian specialist food. So you want to Indonesian food, of course, there. And if you want to try in other food, you can of course you can try Australian food. And next, will we see the sunset? Of course, you can see the sunset on the Pasir Putih Beach. And next, where in the Moscow? Near the entrance of the Pasir Putih. And next, where is the best place to take a picture? I think everywhere and anywhere in the Pasir Putih Beach you can take a photo because indeed the Pasir Putih Beach has a good located to your take a picture, photo spot with the nature beauty of this nature beach. And next, which place provides the food that you recommended? Of course, I recommended you if you want to eat a seafood, you can go in Sunrise restaurant. And next, can we get around the boat? You can rent a boat for use a sunround in Pasir Putih Beach. And Last, the question is where will we stay? About the accommodation I recommended to you, you can stay in the Pasir Putih Hotel because I think Pasir Putih Hotel is a best recommended from you stay if you want to stay in here, and because of course because the facility is very complete and you can get a beautiful view, and of course about the price, I think it's very cheap to you. So I think that's all from the question and explain about the Pasir Putih Beach, and I'm sorry if I have many mistakes. So wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choice.